I thought, okay, for 4G is already done, and let's not do anything with 4G. Let's do with 5G. I didn't have any idea how the 5G can be used in my area, or in this clean tech industrial automation point of view. Then we started learning the capabilities, the features, I think. Then we came with the one problem we have been facing. If you take in every industry, the sensor is the basic problem or the weakest link, and all these sensors we have been importing from all other countries, mainly China or European countries. As the media goes more corrosive, the sensor becomes very, very expensive. 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, a sensor cost. And they need a lot of maintenance, calibration over the period of every time. And this was the biggest weakness what I was saying, oh God, I'm spending so much money on these sensors, and customer is also, I'm not able to convince, okay, buy this for long term. Then I thought, why need a sensor? So this was a basic question for me to, can we replace sensors altogether, which is used for various, like a label, there is a color texture, the quality part, main purposes the sensors. So this is what my journey started with, how do we use 5G. Instead of sensors, we are using a vision camera to take a real-time images. It could be a tank, it could be a big water body or industrial tanks, it is acid, liquid, all the label, even flood monitoring system or the lakes, the cities, what do you call this?